What do you want to say? What's that? What do you have?
I'm a panda.
Can you show me?
Like Kung Fu Panda.
Was that you?
Yeah, it was.
You were a what kind of panda?
The baby.
Okay, look here. What kind of panda were you?
A baby.
You were a baby panda?
Yeah.
Really? When was this?
It's a head and eyes and a mouth
And what color?
a tummy.
You have a can you show me your big tummy? Show me your big tummy. Okay, now say smile. Say I miss you, Mommy.
I miss you. I miss you, Mommy.
Okay. I love you.
I love you, Mom.
Bye.
Bye.